Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change or add currency on your Wise account. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to wise.com. Make sure you do have your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't you worry because it is quite easy to sign up for Wise. You can check out our video on how you can sign up on Wise as well and sign up to your account. So if you sign up to your account, go ahead and log into your account and you will see this type of interface. What you need to do now to change or edit the exchange rates or currencies is click on Edit here. Now click on this pen icon once again. Now you can see the change currencies. You can change the currency. This is the main currency and this is the secondary currency. So you can change the prime currency from the currency you are going to send the money from, and this is the currency you are going to send the money to. So you can change the currency quite easily, as you can see, and click confirm, click done, and now you can see that if you change the currency over here, the money will be changed as well. So it's quite easy. All you need to do is open Wise, log into your account and click on Edit right over here. If you click on Send Money, you can easily send money over here and you can change the currency from here as well. And you can see the recipient currency. You can change this as well. You might know that there might be some charges over here, so you can see the fees. It will be taken over here and it will be converted and be sent to the currency which you had just picked. So guys, this is how you can change or add currency on your Wise account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.